guys, uMusakhaula njalo yena with celebrities, if it's not political figures, all the time is being sued. I'm just like, okay, guys, you need to stop at some stage. And it's so crazy how I didn't do that video Gamantwa no Julius Malema, because Chronicles and Gamantwa ngiyazi, and there is no way, guys, I wouldn't have known. If you understand my point with that divorcing, like how guys oh, I'm just like, yeah, this is just like so crazy. Why would you spread rumors like this all the time? No, lokuzane nabo babebhizi naye futhi. Even basetsana khumala babebhizi naye beno-Romeo. Bo Musakazi futhi he doesn't stop it. Very controversial umuntu. I'm just like, yazi Musa must just go back to being a radiographer. He's a qualified radiographer, guys. Just go back and work. It's just my thing, because you create stories, guys, sometimes that don't exist. Because some days his stuff is legit. But at the same time, I'm sure on top of legit political figures or your celebrities, they just like, no, like, why are you in now and that? Hey, I wanna, guys, it's a lot. Book about Julius Malema. Vele wam sue for R1 million. They just like, we're not playing our marriage. Even the legal team here, Julius was like, their marriage is intact, bruh. Why? When are you in the Ndabas? Oh my gosh, he's in so much trouble. Like, guys, what's that is why, guys, ngigosipha impela, but there's some stories that you can't do. We understand, and to a point where buka manje ukuthi umusa ungena enkingeni kanjani, and labantu bewesini futhi e-stadium uMantwa no Julius watching Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs, and then when you come and say those things, oh my gosh, they were just like, abantu bebezisola. People who had done that video last week bebezisola ngale ndlela, because hey guys, I wanna sometimes, like I always say, we take this in you don't know people's dynamics. Now so phakathi inside.